Good morning, everyone. This is Trina with Citrus Twist Kits, and I'm here to share the kit overview for our March Life Chapters kit that's coming up here in just a few days. I believe it is this Friday. And while I'm talking and introducing the kit, I'm going to share some of the pattern papers that come with this kit and just kind of lay these down for you to see. Our March Life Chapters kit is all about telling stories of the chapters in your lives, and for book lovers too, sharing about your love of reading. Life sure can be a wild ride, and it's made up of so many ups and downs and ins and outs, powerful stories about your life. And life changes, they sure do just keep happening, don't they? One of the many things that our new Life Crafted kits have made me realize is that, boy, do I have stories to tell. Looking at life using chapters as a focus might just help you to narrow down to those events that are most meaningful to you in your life, whether you're looking forward, going through current events, or reliving past events. There's so many chapters and so many stories to come, and you never know what is out there waiting for you. So I've laid out the 6x8 pattern papers that come as exclusive designs in this next month's March Life Chapters kit, and I'm going to go on and share more elements. One of the things that you get when you subscribe to our kits is the kit subscriber access to video workshops. You also get a printable file that has cut-aparts that you can print out and use in addition to all the beautiful ephemera that comes in each kit. There are also free cut files that you can download as well. The kits come with 3x4 journaling cards that are double-sided that go along loosely with the theme. I decided to come up with the themes of these kits, not so much a tight theme as an opportunity for you to just kind of have a starting off point to tell your stories for the month. And for March, I chose life chapters. It seems like we all go through so many different chapters in our lives, and we've got our stories to tell, and it's really important to write them down. My parents have passed away, and we have so many photos of them that we just don't know the stories behind anymore, and we wish we had them back in our lives, not only to be there, but to share those stories and find out who were those people and what were the stories behind those photos. So keep telling your stories, everyone. The kits also come with a couple of 4x6 journaling cards, and in addition, we have digital journaling cards on our website as well. Each kit comes with a 3x8-inch bookmark, and this one has the note right now, and you can select off which you're doing or feeling or experiencing right now, and then a nice generic back side, and you'll see how I use this in some of my projects that are coming up. In the March Life Crafted kit, I have thrown in a wonderful little 3x5 scallop pocket. I can't wait to see how you all use this in your scrapbooking pages, in your project life, in your Life Crafted album pages, and other projects that you do. We have some beautiful chipboard ephemera, circles and hearts with just little words that speak to different things in your lives, from today, detail, totes, gather, Friday, story, always, read, city lights, don't forget, lots of hearts, some in these little wood grain patterns. And we've got some more tiny word stickers for you, and these do have to do with all kinds of things. You can use these word stickers in so many different ways. There's a little bit of a glare on them, but I hope you can see some of them. And you can add those to your pages that you create for telling your stories. We also have a beautiful neutral white puffy sticker alphabet in this kit, and we did include numbers on this, so you can not only tell your stories with words and titles, but also you can do some dates. And we have a fabulous ephemera pack, and I love designing the ephemera, and occasionally my graphic designer helps me out with these. This month I did design these, and I really story behind the birds and the ephemera packs when I include them is my mom was a real bird lover, and it's a nod to her. She really wanted me to do something with my art in my life and create a business if I could, make a living doing something I love. So those are a nod and a thank you to her for all of her artistic inspiration that she gave me. I'm going to show you some of these embellishments up close. There's always some blank labels that you can stamp on, write on, type on to help document your stories. In addition to that, I have a number of favorites in this, but I really love this one. I have a story to tell. Thoughtful sayings. You are one of life's most beautiful chapters as you're telling your stories. Oop, let me get it under the camera. Don't forget to still tell your own stories and be kind to yourself and tell the chapters of your life. We have some script words that you can use as titles on your pages, chapters and stories. These work for not only events, but also reading. There are tabs that you can use. There are cute little let me get this under the camera, words, sayings. Women who read are dangerous. I think that's a lot of fun. I've been an avid reader all of my life. There's this wonderful kind of whimsical retro carnival horse, the bird, a little pencil, write your stories down, make sure you tell them, all kinds of arrows and little spots that have sayings on them, or in this case, an expression, fictional lives matter. There's chapters 1, 2, and 3 labels. You can use those in a number of different ways. I did use mine in a little mini flip album this month. Anyways, there are stars, there are hearts, there's a library card. Here's the introductory card that comes with the kit, life chapters. Behind every girl's favorite song, there is an untold story. And last but not least, in this kit, we have some beautiful cork numbers. They're oversized. They're about 2 inches tall, maybe slightly more than that. Numbers 1, 2, and 3, again, to help you tell your stories this month with your Life Chapters kit. And now I am going to share with you, push these aside and share with you some of the projects that I've made with the kit this month. I've tried to work in different sizes to give you an idea of different formats that these kits work with. The kit is designed so you can use them for scrapbooking, for project life, for mini albums, travelers, notebooks, you name it. You can use this kit for a lot of different things. For National Pet Day, I did a couple pages of my pets, a little mini 6x8 of my cat Nikki, and a 6x12 layout of my puppy Maggie. I did an 8.5 by 11 layout that I had just so much fun with a picture that I just love of my husband and my daughter, and I used the little bird from the ephemera packet. And in addition, I want to share just a little flip through of some of the pages that I created in my Life Crafted album this month. The Life Crafted albums are for sale in our shop. We do have more album colors coming soon, and also page protector refills and more page configurations, and you'll see a little bit about this when I do a little flip through here. I did a little flashback with a photo of my dad using just a loose punched page. I hand punched these with my little hole punch, and did a old photo that I just love of my dad out in the wild, fishing and camping, some of the things he loved to do best. Picture of my parents when they were young, out sailing on a lake. This is an example of one of the page protector refills that we'll have coming to this store soon, probably, hoping that they'll arrive within about a month. And they fit 4x6 journaling cards or 4x6 photos and little journaling spots. When you buy the album or the page protectors that come in this style, you'll also get a free digital download that you can print out to do journaling to insert on this page. Here's another little spread I did. I cut this out of the March add-on kit and had a lot of fun playing with this kit as well. Did some journaling and then just documented a beautiful place I went to this summer where I went hiking way up in the high mountains and go there to recharge and just fill my soul. Here's an example of how I used one of the cork numbers, and I told you I'd share with you kind of how I'd use the bookmark. I did hand journaling on one side, typewritten journaling on the other. This is the next style of page configuration that we'll have for our Life Crafted albums. These are little vertical pockets that hold 3x4 journaling cards or photos, and it's documenting the big snow we had here in Seattle. At our place, we had almost 2.5 feet of snow, and we're snowed in for a while, and I thought I documented that in the album. And of course, along with being snowed in, I loved using the Coffee and Adventures journaling card from the March kit, and a picture of my daughter out for coffee with her one day. My daughter's always sending me photos of her and her friends home from college, and I like to include those in my albums. And then I did one more mini album page layout of the storm. I did pull this little measuring tape out of my old stash, some old ribbon that I picked up at a $1 bin, and put that in there, just measuring the inches of the snow. Anyways, these are some of the many ways that I have used my March Life Chapters kit, and I still have so much of the kit left and so much more work I can do, but I wanted to be able to let you see in color some of the things that you can create and all the different styles you can work with. Don't forget, for you traveler journal album designers or TN journalers, that the pages do come with the albums do come with page inserts that you can slip your traveler's journal pages right into, and that makes for a lot of fun storytelling. So with that, I can't wait to see what you do with this kit, and have a fabulous March. See you next month. Bye.